Everything we do now is experiential.
It's not just about buying product.
It's not about the product. It is about exclusive product. It's about unique product. But it's also about the relationship with you build.
So experience is really at the heart of Harrods' value proposition. Would you say it's what differentiates you from other big department stores?
It's absolutely what differentiates us. And there's two or three other things, really. It's that retail experience. Walking into something and just looking at the beautiful areas and almost having a look of wonderment. And the
looking from the window above, it's like the story of love. Can you hear me? Came back only yesterday and moving further away.
I will.
Want you near me.
I will.
All I needed was the love you gave. All I needed for another day. And all I ever knew, only you.
You're the only one that I rely on, a shoulder there for me to cry on. And the hours are long that I'm without you, all I ever do is think about you. No one knows that you're so understanding, even though my love is so demanding. Every time you look at me, then you know we'll both agree that no other love could be.
Kroos will go for it and score! An inspirational moment from Toni Kroos. Well, when they're down, when they are tested, they find a way to win. Pavard. Oh, how about that? Glorious!
Oh, that is magnificent.
Oh, it's delightful stuff. The drop shot could not have been played any better.